How to log out Snapchat from other devices, or how to remove your Snapchat account from other devices. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can log out Snapchat or remove your Snapchat account from all other devices or other devices. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so stay tuned to the video while I guide you through. Now first thing first, you want to open up your Snapchat application. Make sure you're logged into your account that you want to log out from other devices. Now and then you want to tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Once you're in profile, get an face like this, and at the top right corner you'll find the settings or the gear icon, right? You want to simply tap on that particular option. Once you do so, you want to scroll all the way down below, and at the bottom end at the third last option you can see save login info above the my data option. You want to simply tap on save login info, and any other devices that your Snapchat account is logged in will be shown here. Now you can see my Snapchat account is logged in only on this device currently, but if there is any other account logged in, you'll find it right here, and along with it you'll find the minus sign on the red icon you can see there at the left hand side. So you want to simply tap on that particular minus icon, and you can log your Snapchat account from any other device that you wish to, that is in the login list. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.